Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown. And this week, I'm going to be talking about this Dell Latitude semi-rugged 5430 laptop. This model I have sitting in front of me comes with a Core i7 11th gen processor. It is a workhorse. These things come with backlit chiclet keyboards like this. Take a look at this mouse pad right here. Nice real estate on that. The handle though from previous models is a little smaller, but your hand still fits in there and it still feels solid. This particular generation is a little lighter than previous generations. If you look on the side, we have some ports. Like right here, we have the SIM card slot, an SD card slot, USB-C. On both sides actually you have USB-C, one here and one there. And then over here is HDMI out. And believe it or not, we still have the 9-pin serial that's mounted on this laptop. Great for auto mechanics or ham radio operators. Here we have the NIC port, and over here we have another USB port. It comes with Bluetooth, dual batteries. You can put broadband in this thing. I mean, this laptop is a workhorse. Another great model coming out of Dell. Well, that's really all I got for you this week, guys. Don't forget to like this video, leave your comments down below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next week.